How to download the Whatnot application. Hey everybody and welcome back. In today's video, we are providing you with the up-to-date guide on how to do so. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. So if you're on Android phone, it's very easy. You can head over to your Google Play Store application on your Android. It's official and the most easy and safe way. You can just go over and go to your Google Play account first, and this is your following interface. Now from here, you can go to the search and tap on it, and in the top search bar, you can just go over and type in Whatnot and hit enter, and you should be finding the application. Once you find the app, you can tap on it and select the application from the result. After that, you can look out for the install option directly and go ahead and tap on it and wait for it to finish. After the installation is finished, you can open in the app and sign in or create your account. The Whatnot application is free to download on Android, so you do not need to worry about it, and you can start browsing live auctions, buying, selling, or watching streams. And the availability and compatibility may vary by region and device, so you can just go over and follow up this method if you want to download it on your device. And that's it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.